Hello, welcome to today's daily Leetcode challenge. We'll be solving question 844, backspace string compare. I'll be going through my solution and thought process, and then I'll compare my solution to the solution of others. With that, let's begin the question. So this is an easy level question, backspace string compare. Given two strings s and t, return true if they are equal when both are typed into an empty text editor. Hashtag means backspace character, meaning a delete. Note that after backspacing an empty text, the text will continue to be empty. So if you were to press backspace on an empty string, it'll continue being empty. Cool. And then we have some examples: A, B, backspace C, A, D, backspace C. Output is true. Inputs are equal because both S and T actually become just AC. In this case, both become empty strings. And in this case, it's false because S is C, T is B. Cool. So, I mean, this is an easy level question. I don't think I'll even get the notepad out for this. The idea here is that we can use a stack to represent our input. And as you know, a stack is FILO, first in, last out. It can be represented as an array where pop and push happen to one end of the array. So I'm actually going to write a function. What is it going to be named? Maybe build str with a input string. I'm going to call my stack here, and I'm going to say that for character in input, if character is equal to backspace, then stack pop else stack append C character. Let's see what the output would be for build str of S. Return false for now. Should be false, standard out, none. Why does this happen? Because I don't return anything. Return stack. Awesome. AC, just as we wanted. I'm guessing it's going to be the same thing for the other string AC. So actually, as a return, we simply compare build str with S is equal to build str with T. If the output arrays are equal, means that the input string was the same, was typed in the same way. The only problem here is that I see if we are trying to pop on an already empty stack, it's going to cause an error. So I'm going to add another condition here. If stack there we go. Let's check that against our test cases. Seems to be running correctly. And there we go. And seems like I've solved this a really long time ago. So I guess not totally ideal. Let's see how I did it here. Here I did it with, yeah, same idea. Okay, well, I mean, I don't know if this deserves an explanation, but my guess is that both of these are going to be, yeah, all of them pretty much have the same idea in mind. build two stacks and compare them. Yeah, this is very easy. Tests your knowledge for knowing how to use stack though, which is useful. Yeah, cool. Well, thanks for watching. Hope this was a easy watch, and I'll see you later. Bye.